Most people walk into their kitchen every morning and follow the same routine: coffee, toast, or something quick before starting the day. But there's a simple 2-ingredient habit that millions of people are quietly starting to try, and the results are getting attention. Just olive oil and lemon. It sounds ordinary, almost too simple to matter. But inside your body, this combination triggers several natural processes most people never think about. And the biggest mistake? Almost everyone uses it the wrong way. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols. These compounds help protect your cells from oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and many common health problems. Lemon, on the other hand, contains vitamin C and natural plant compounds that support immune function and digestion. Individually, they're beneficial, but when taken together, especially on an empty stomach, their absorption pattern changes. In the morning, your digestive system is more responsive because it hasn't started processing heavier foods yet. That allows nutrients to move more efficiently through the digestive tract. And this is where many people begin noticing small but meaningful changes. One of the first areas affected is digestion. Olive oil naturally stimulates bile production, which helps your body break down fats more effectively. Lemon supports stomach acid balance and may help food move more smoothly through the digestive system. When digestion becomes more efficient, people often report feeling less bloated and more comfortable after meals. And better digestion often leads to something else: more stable daily energy. Another important benefit involves liver support. Your liver constantly processes toxins, medications, and metabolic waste. Antioxidants found in olive oil help reduce oxidative stress on liver cells, while lemon supports natural detox pathways already present in the body. This doesn't mean the mixture detoxes your body overnight, but it does support the systems your body already uses to stay balanced. And consistency plays a major role here. Small daily habits tend to create long-term results. Many people are also interested in how this mixture affects skin health. Healthy fats help maintain skin hydration from within, while vitamin C plays a key role in collagen production. Over time, this may help the skin appear smoother and more refreshed. This is one reason the olive oil and lemon routine has become popular across different age groups. People often start using it for digestion, but continue because they like the overall wellness effects. But here's the part: most videos don't explain clearly. The benefits depend heavily on how you take it. There are 3 common mistakes that reduce effectiveness. First, using low-quality olive oil. Refined oils contain far fewer antioxidants. Always choose extra virgin olive oil stored in a dark glass bottle. Second, using bottled lemon juice instead of fresh lemon. Fresh juice contains more active nutrients. Third, taking too much. More is not better. Just 1 teaspoon of olive oil mixed with 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice is enough for daily use. And ideally, take it 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. This timing helps your body absorb the nutrients properly. Now, an important reminder: this mixture is not a miracle cure, and it cannot replace professional medical treatment. But when combined with a balanced diet, hydration, and regular physical activity, it may support digestion, energy levels, and overall wellness. Natural routines work best when they are simple and consistent. If you're looking for an easy morning habit that doesn't require expensive supplements, this is one option many people are starting to explore. Just remember, quality ingredients and consistency matter far more than quantity. If you found this helpful, tap the like button and subscribe for more practical health tips explained in a simple way. And in the comments, tell me, have you ever tried olive oil with lemon on an empty stomach? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.